A closed Arro card support ticket does not always mean your issue is solved, because some tickets are closed after a response, a status update, or a support workflow change. By the end, you'll know what a closed support ticket means, what steps to take if your problem is still unresolved, and how to contact support again with the right information. First, check the details inside the closed ticket. Look for the latest message from support and review whether they provided a solution, requested more information, or marked the conversation as complete. A ticket marked closed usually means that specific conversation is no longer active. It does not automatically explain whether the original problem was fixed. If the issue is still happening, collect the important details before contacting support again. Include your account information, a clear description of the problem, when the issue started, and any steps you already tried. Providing complete details helps support understand the situation without repeating the same troubleshooting steps. The next step is to contact Arro Card Support through the available support options and explain that the previous ticket was closed, but the issue remains unresolved. Avoid creating a new message with only, "My problem is not fixed." A short description may not give support enough information to investigate the issue. Instead, explain what happened, what response you received, and what still needs to be resolved. Include screenshots or relevant details if the support channel allows attachments. Another thing to check is whether the problem is related to account access, payments, transactions, or another service issue. Describing the category of the problem can make it easier for support to understand your request. If you receive another response, follow the instructions carefully and reply with any requested information. Keeping the conversation focused can help prevent delays. If a ticket was closed by mistake, explain that clearly when you contact support. A closed ticket can require a new support conversation, depending on how the system handles previous requests. The main points are simple. A closed ticket does not always mean the issue is fixed. Reviewing the previous response helps you understand what happened, and providing complete details gives support a clearer picture. Your next step is to gather your ticket information and send a clear follow-up request through Arro Card Support. If this guide helped you understand what to do after a support ticket closes, like the video and subscribe for more app and service troubleshooting guides.